Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about electrical mechanical analogy. Here I have, in the last lecture I had discussed what will happen if you apply the force to the mass, if you apply the force to the springs, if you apply the force to the friction or that is the despot. Okay. Now today I am going to take the electrical mechanical analogy. We are going to discuss the force voltage analogy. We have two types of analogy: force voltage and force current. So here we have three elements in the mechanical system. This force voltage analogy I am going to develop. In a force voltage analogy, the mathematical equations of translational mechanical system are compared with the mass equations are KVL of the electrical system. For example, I have given this system, we have three elements: mass, spring and despot, and we are applying the force F. So when you apply the force, this is the moment is X. Okay, so force, okay, so we if you apply the force balance equation, so F equal to what? This F equal to what? M, that is Fm, force equal to force applied by the mass, despot, spring. So F equal to what? Fm plus Fb plus Fk. Fm equal to होता है m d square x by dt square. We have studied in the last presentation. Fb equal to what? b dx by dt plus kx. If you take the Laplace transform of this equation, so m s square plus b into s plus k, okay, and x of s. So this is the Laplace transform of this equation. F of s equal to m s square plus b into s plus k. X of s is common. So we have studied this part in the last lecture. Now, if we write this is the RLC series circuit is there. We are applying the voltage V, so current will flow. And if we write the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, if we apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law, so we will say L di by dt. In case of inductor, voltage equal to L di by dt. In case of resistance, R into I plus in case of capacitor, 1 upon C integration of I dt. This is the Kirchhoff's voltage law equal to V. If we know, since we know I equal to what? I equal to what? dq by dt. I equal to rate of change of charges. Okay, so I equal to di by dt. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? V equal to V, यहाँ मैं ले लेता हूँ, V equal to what? L d square I by dt square plus R di by dt plus 1 by C. Integration of id means integration of this, so you will get q. Sorry, this is d square q आएगा इधर, d square q, because I equal to dq by dt, so d square q by dt square. यहाँ आएगा dq, यहाँ आएगा dq r into dq by dt plus 1 upon c, or integration of idt means integration of dq by dt, so you will get q. Okay, so if you take the Laplace transform, so we will get V of s equal to L s square plus R s, okay, plus 1 by C only and Q of s. So let us say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So we can compare. That is the analogy we can say. The analogy means if we have a mechanical system is given and we don't know anything. So force voltage analogy means force will be replaced by voltage, M is replaced by L, B is replaced by R, K is replaced by 1 by C. X means displacement X of S is replaced by Q of S. So in this way we can develop the force voltage analogy, and once you have force voltage analogy we can convert this mechanical system into electrical system, and then we can solve, we can find the transfer function, we can analyze it, we can find whether system is stable or not. Okay, so that's why we are going to study this portion. Okay, next part I am going to discuss, that is the by comparing equation number 1 and 2. By comparing 1 and 2 we will get the analogous quantities of translational mechanical system and electrical system. The following table shows the analogous quantities. So I have a translational mechanical system here and electrical system here. So here it was a force F, it will be replaced by voltage V. Mass is replaced by inductor. Frictional coefficient B is replaced by resistance R. Spring constant K is it is equal to the, it is reciprocal of capacitance, that is 1 by C. Displacement X is changed by charge Q. Velocity क्या होता है, dx by dt, dx by dt इक्वल टू क्या होगा, dq by dt, dq by dt is the current. So velocity is replaced by current. So this is the force voltage analogy. Similarly we can get the force voltage analogy, electrical system, and rotational mechanical system and इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम. सो यहाँ फोर्स के बदले में टार्क होगा, टार्क कन्वर्ट इनटू वोल्टेज, मास और मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया J. Okay, if it is a rotational mechanical system we have here, it is a B, it is a resistance, here also B. If you, we have seen in the last lecture, we have seen the these quantities. Okay, here it was K is replaced by 1 by C equal to K. So K B ओनली, यहाँ m रहेगा, यहाँ j रहेगा, यहाँ पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट x, यहाँ एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट थीटा, and d theta by dt is angular velocity. So in this way you can develop the mechanical. So you can say force voltage analogy, okay, torque voltage analogy. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या है, टॉर्क वोल्टेज एनालॉजी. ये क्या है, फोर्स वोल्टेज एनालॉजी. इट इज इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम. So if we have given a mechanical system in the form of rotational mechanical system, you can convert into torque voltage analogy. You can use it. You can convert into this one. Okay. If we have given a translational mechanical system, you can convert into electrical system. That is a force voltage analogy. Clear? So all these things we have discussed. It is given it. You can do it. Okay. Now next part I am going to develop, that is the force current analogy. Okay, and force current analogy means voltage is converted into current. That is the part duality we have studied in network analysis. R will be converted into 1 upon R, L will be converted to C, C will be converted into L, like that. Okay, so voltage will be converted into current. So suppose karo you want to develop the force current analogy, and suppose I am going to develop this. This is R, L, C. This is the voltage what was the equation here? KVL, V of S इक्वल टू क्या आया था? L S स्क्वायर प्लस R S प्लस 1/C into Q of S. Right, that was the equation, force voltage analogy. This was the V. If you want to convert this RLC circuit into parallel circuit, if you draw the duality, so voltage source will be converted to current source. Clear? One loop is there, one source, one loop means one current is there, I of S. So यहाँ हो जाएगा I will be converted to one node V of S. This is connected to ground. Clear? R will be converted to 1/R like that. L will be C or C will be L. So in this way we will get the equation. Anyway, I'm not going to discuss this. This is the, I'm going to rub it, but it is nothing but it is a dual circuit is there. So forget it. I'm going to develop the force current analogy. Okay, so I'm not going to use this part. Okay, now if you are going to develop the force current analogy, this is the mechanical system is given M, that is a mechanical root translational system we have given. If you apply the force here, this is the displacement X. If you apply the force F equal to what? F equal to what? Fm, that is the force Fm plus Fb plus K Fk. Okay, so what is the force here? F equal to what? F equal to what? यहाँ लिखा है m d square x by dt square plus b dx by dt plus k into x. This is the force. If you take the Laplace transform, f of s equal to क्या आएगा? m s square plus b s plus k x of s. If you take the Laplace transform and if we neglect the initial condition. Okay, so in this way you will get this equation. Okay, in S domain. Now here if we have given a force current analogy we have to develop. So let us say R, L or C, they are connected in parallel. Okay, so total current I, let us say current here is I1, here it is I2, here is I3. So we can say I equal to what? I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 here. Okay, so I equal to what? I1 equal to क्या होगा? V by R. In case of inductor, I equal to क्या होता है? 1 by L. 1 by L integration of V dt. Clear? This is the equation for current. How will you get it? अभी कई लोगों को यही कंफ्यूजन है. How will you get it? This हमको ये मालूम है. Voltage equal to क्या होता है? In case of inductor, voltage equal to L di by dt. Voltage equal to L di by dt. So di by dt क्या होगा? di by dt होगा V by L. How will you get I? We will get I equal to what? How I कैसे आएगा? I equal to कैसे निकालेंगे? इंटीग्रेट करेंगे कि डिफरेंशिएट? इंटीग्रेट. सो क्या आएगा? I equal to 1 by L integration of V dt. So in this way you can get I equal to 1 by L V dt plus I3 equal to plus I3 क्या है? Current through capacitor. We know current through capacitor Q equal to CV. In case of capacitor, we know this formula Q equal to CV. If you differentiate it, so dQ by dt. dQ by dt क्या होता है? I current equal to क्या होगा? C dV by dt. So these are the equation. Okay, so we will get C dv by dt. So we will get these three equations: I equal to v by r plus 1 upon L integration of v dt plus c dv by dt. Okay, so I got it. Now v equal to what? V equal to what? 1 I equal to क्या आएगा? v मतलब 1 by r और v होता है d phi by dt, d phi by dt. ओके, 1 बाई आर, v मतलब होता है डी फाइव बाई डी टी प्लस 1 बाई एल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डी फाइव बाई डी टी इज 5 प्लस सी, और यहाँ आएगा डी फाइव बाई, इसका होगा डी फाइव बाई डी टी, तो डी स्क्वायर 5 बाई डी टी स्क्वायर. ओके, so we got it. I equal to, if you take the Laplace transform, so we will get I of s equal to what? C s square, phi of s common, C s square if you neglect the initial condition, plus 1 by r d phi by dt का लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या होगा? s I of phi of s plus 1 by l phi of s. So this is the equation number, say, let us say 3. If you compare 1 and 3, m c, so force current analogy में क्या आएगा? m is replaced by c, b is replaced by 1 by r, k is replaced by 1 by l. Okay, x of s is replaced by phi, force will be replaced by current. So in this way you can get the force current analogy, or we know force voltage analogy, force voltage analogy, please, force voltage analogy, force replaced by v, if you take the duality it will be replaced by I. Clear? Mass was replaced by L. if इसका एनालॉजी क्या होगा? फोर्स करंट में क्या होगा? ड्यूअलिटी, इट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय C. B was replaced by R, यहाँ हो जाएगा वो 1 by R because duality of this. K was replaced by 1 by C and C will be replaced by L, 1 by L. So you are getting this. This is force voltage analogy, force current analogy. And if you know the duality we have studied in network analysis, so automatically ये आपको no need to mug up, you will get all these things. Okay, so we have developed this. Now this is a force current analogy we have studied. Okay, so translational mechanical system, that is electrical system, that is a force current analogy. This is the force current analogy. Force is replaced by current I, m is replaced by C, b is replaced by 1 by r, constant spring constant k is replaced by 1 by l, displacement x is replaced by phi of s, magnetic flux, velocity dx by dt मतलब velocity, d phi by dt मतलब voltage v. Okay, so in this way you will get the force current analogy. Thank you very much. Okay, in the next 2 lectures I will discuss some numerical, how to develop the force voltage, force current analogy, and how to write the equations. Okay, thank you very much.